Hey, I just figured I'd give you a look in on this weekend's little project. Basically, about 5, 7 years ago, Ass Plow or Ass Plunderer or Ass Plund, whatever you call that company in the orange trucks that drives around tearing up trees, decided to drive a bulldozer over my walkway here. So I'm now finally getting around to fixing it. It had degraded to about 2 feet of safe walkway. I've already got it about half done. This is where the water drains through, so I had to build a little bridge there. That I did with just wheelbarrow and shovel because it was kind of a sculpting job here. But for this side, I'm going to be using the Yardmax again, and I've got it framed off here. So this is just going to be pretty much a pour and dump here and fill up the remainder of it, then smooth off the top. And from there it drains down into another culvert. And that's just a quick look at my awesome framing job there, but it should work. It ain't got to be pretty. It ain't got to be straight lines. It's just got to be so my wife don't walk into a ditch when she's going out to get the chickens or feed the chickens. So this is not going to be a continuous run because you don't need to see this thing just running for 20 minutes at a time. That'd be boring as hell. Last time I used this mixer, I used the fast set concrete. That did not do well. This time we're using high strength concrete mix, so we'll see if the mixer does any better with this. So I'll check in when something interesting happens. Yes, it always made that noise. Got a 60-pound bag in there turning away. Alright, I might have made that a bit soupy, but it mixed up in about 3-4 minutes, or less. So, time to dump it in. Alright, first 60-pound bag is in. That actually filled up more space than I expected it to. I got 4 bags, and we'll see how it goes. This is a bit soupy, so I might have to compress this down a bit, get all the water out before I dump on the next one. And it's going better than I thought it would for some reason. Alright, back in a bit. Alright, second bag is down. It's starting to look pretty good here. I take back everything bad I said about this thing in my first video when I made that little slab over there. Alright, I just checked my Lowe's receipt. I checked out at $205. It's now $245. That includes drive time, getting everything out of the garage and set up, and this thing's almost done. Probably don't need a full bag, but I'm going to use a full bag because store and a half bags a pain in the ass. Finish up this little corner, smooth it out, and then I'll probably just extend that over to some other stuff that needs a little bit of patching in here. But this shit's almost done. Alright, it's 3:05, so basically an hour from when I checked out at Lowe's. It is done. It ain't pretty, it ain't straight, but you're less likely to fall on your ass and hurt yourself, so I'm calling that done. And I had to back over here because apparently I pissed off a thing of yellow jackets in the area. Cleaned up nicely. If you look close, yeah, there's some stuff, but it's a freaking cement mixer, so who cares if there's a little bit of dirt in there. But basically before it all set up, just turn it on its end, put the hose in there, cleaned up nicely, and once this dries up, hopefully we'll have a good safe walkway. If somebody does fall through on it, I got security cameras pointing this way, I'll be sure to share that video too. But that's what I got for you for today. If you enjoyed this, or if you didn't enjoy this, I don't care, please hit the subscribe button because I am on the goal to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm zeroing in on 700, so we're getting there slowly. And I finished up early enough that I might be able to play with my new toy, which you might see later on tonight. Alright, you have a good one.